Hello everyone! Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. My name's Jazz. If you're new here, hello! And for any of you returning, it is nice to see you again, even though I can't see you, but you can see me, so I'm just pretending that you're here with me, even though I'm talking to a camera all alone. Hello! Welcome back. I'm really excited to share with you guys something new that has blossomed and come to life, and this is for anybody who is interested in staying in touch with my journey with music. So I've posted like freestyles and just a couple things here and there, and I can't deny that music makes me feel the most alive, and it really just lights that fire in my heart, and nothing else compares to how good I feel while I'm making music, whether I'm just singing or humming to myself, and especially when I am creating. And that was a feeling that was really prominent yesterday when I was collaborating with my brother, who's a producer. Shout out, he's only like 20 years old and he has created an epic brand for himself, and so many rappers use his beats, and yeah, overall he's just a badass. I recently visited my family in Ontario for a couple of weeks, took a little break for myself, a little self-care. Your girl needed that because she was working so hard. So with that being said, when I got home, we ended up collaborating a little bit together. I gave him some harmonies and we were just really stoked on the fluidity of everything. And before I left, he gifted me his, oh, the camera's wobbling. This is being stabilized on 2 yoga blocks right now. So, okay, let's work with this. Thank you, wind, for holding out and not breaking my camera. Okay, so he gifted me a microphone and he wasn't using it anymore, and it ended up just being a way that we could connect and stay in touch and be able to create from afar, because I only go home like once a year. So he had sent me a clip and he was like, hey, I just want some harmonies on this. And yesterday I was sitting in front of my computer just doing some harmonies, singing some stuff, and I felt so good, and I was like, oh my god, I need to put more energy into this. This is something that makes me feel so good, and I love expressing myself because a lot of the time I just freestyle, so it's just whatever is coming up, holding space for that, expressing and sharing. And a lot of the stuff that I've shared, a lot of it is pretty much all freestyles. It's very rare that I write a song, although I do want to get into writing more songs, but a lot of it is just kind of where I'm at, whatever comes up, whatever flows goes. So yeah, and after that feeling, I was like, okay, I'm gonna put more energy into this. So what I've done for that is I have created a separate YouTube channel solely for all of my musical expression, and I just posted my first video where I released a song that I produced. Every single beat I just made in GarageBand, and I sang some vocals on a $30 mic from Amazon. So it's not about the gear, folks. It's about having passion, working with what you've got, and yeah, I'm just really excited to see where this blossoms. And if that's something that you want to be a part of, then I will leave that link below and you can go follow me on that channel, because I'm really excited about it. I hope you guys are doing really well and taking care of yourselves, and I will see you soon. Oh.